Yes, good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Mute your audio.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Mute your audio. All of you. Okay, we can start the class now. Mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
All of them muted? Yes. We can start. We can start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All are ready now. They did not sleep. Ihan, some more two should join. Now, so we were discussing about which problem we were discussing?
Eighth problem.
Eighth problem
Eighth
over.
problem.
And what is
Yes,
the answer you got? What is the answer you got? Eighth problem. What is the answer you got?
65,124.
Yes, 65,124 is the answer you got. Now we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
go to the ninth problem. Ninth problem is having little bit changing the unit. Okay, you have to change the unit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, which unit you have to change it? We can see the problem. Ninth problem, you can read it. What is the ninth problem? To stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter is needed. To stitch a, for stitching a shirt,
For stitching a
stitching a shirt 2
meter
meter and 15 centimeter is needed for stitching a shirt. Okay. For stitching the shirt, how much is needed? 2 meter and 15 centimeter is needed for stitching a shirt. Out of, next one, out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched? Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched? That is the question. Okay. Okay. So out, how many meter, total meter of clothes? How much was there? Ihan, what was the cloth?
15.
What is the
15.
measurement of cloth he was having? Ihan,
15.
unmute
15.
and tell me. How many
15.
meters of cloth was there?
15.
Huh?
15.
40 meters of cloth. 40
40.
meters of cloth
Ma'am, can you
was
show the
there
question?
with him. 40 meters of cloth. Okay. What is the measurement of each shirt? What is the measurement of each shirt?
2 meters.
What is the measurement of each shirt? Each shirt. No, what they told? 2 meter and 15 centimeter. 2 meter and 15 centimeter. Your shirt needed a cloth of 2 meter and 15 centimeter. That is the thing it is going to. First, the cloth required for one shirt is how much? 2 meter and 15
meter,
centimeter.
15
And
centimeter.
you are having 40 meters of cloth with you. Okay. You are having
Okay, ma'am.
40 meters of cloth with you. Understood now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, we can see the problem here on the board. And what you
Yes,
should do, you have
ma'am.
to tell me. Okay.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So, 40 meters. What is the total amount?
40 meters.
Amount
40,
no, total measurement
40
of
meters.
cloth? 40 meters.
40 meters.
40 meters. Don't say in group, please, because others will get disturbed. Mute your audio. If I'm asking you, tell the answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Very good, children. You are listening now. So, we can see the question. We can see the question here. So, 40 meters of cloth. Total measurement of cloth, how much?
40.
40 meter of cloth was there. Then 40 meters of cloth. 40 meters of cloth. Okay, 1 minute. It is taking time to load it. So 40 meters of cloth he was having. And what is the measurement of one cloth? This
2
problem
meter,
was
15 centimeter.
okay, 1 minute. I will show the problem here. Okay, ninth problem. You can see. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter, 15 centimeter. You should listen whether they are in same unit or not. 2 meters, how many centimeters it will make? It help.
What, ma'am?
2 meters, how many centimeter it will become? You have to convert because one is in unit and one is in meter and the other one is in centimeter. That one you have to see whether they are same unit or not. How many meters of cloth was there? 2 meters of 2 meter and 15 centimeter. Okay. So
Ma'am.
2 meter and
Ma'am, a yellow
centimeter.
Something
You can
was
convert
happening
it
on
into
the
same
screen.
unit. 2 meter means how many centimeter it will become?
Ma'am, something is on the screen. Something is on the
2
screen.
meters means how many centimeter it will become?
Something is on the screen.
2 into 100. 2 into
Ma'am,
100.
something is on the
200
screen.
centimeter. You can convert it into.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Yes,
Something
one
is on the screen.
The screen is covering.
Ma'am,
Covering
something
with
is on the
the
screen and it's covered
Something is covering the
with something, ma'am.
Which one?
Covering with the
Something is covering.
And something is on the screen
1
and it
minute.
is covered
You
with
cannot see the
something,
screen.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I cannot see the. We can see the
Somehow
screen.
we cannot
No,
see the
ma'am.
screen.
Ma'am, when you take it there,
screen
it's
on
coming
the screen.
there. It's not there, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, sometimes when you take the
So this is the question. To stitch a shirt. 1 minute. All of you mute your audio. Mute your audio.
Ma'am, you cannot see the screen properly.
Mute your audio. This is the question. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter, 15 centimeter of cloth is required. Okay? All of you mute your audio. Lot of disturbance. Okay? So 2 meters. Fayaz Muhammad. 2 meters. 2 meter and 15 centimeter is 2 meter and 15 centimeter. 2 meter means how many centimeter it will make? 2 meters means how many centimeter it will make? 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter and again 15 centimeter is there. So it will become 215 centimeter. So the problem says that 2 meters and 15 centimeter cloth is required for stitching one shirt. Then what is the total cloth he was having? What is the total cloth he was having, Zaiba? Zaiba, can you say what was the total cloth with him? How many meters of cloth?
Ma'am,
40 meters of cloth. He was having 40 meters of
40,
cloth. And for one shirt, he is requiring 2 meter and 15 centimeter. So you have to convert 40 meters also to centimeters. 40 meters, you have to convert it into centimeters. How many centimeters it will make? You have to convert first. Okay? You are following now?
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no? Yes, we can do it.
Ma'am, 4,000 centimeter.
Yes, very good. 4,000 centimeter. We can take
40
it.
centimeter. Ma'am, it's written 40 centimeter.
Yes, for first step you have to write it as, first step you can write it as,
9.
so, First step, total cloth.
Ma'am, ninth.
Yes.
Ma'am, question number 9.
Huh?
Ma'am, it's question number 9.
Yes, question number 9. Total cloth he was having. How much cloth he was having?
40 centimeter.
40 meters, not centimeter. 40
Ma'am, but in the question it is
meters.
40
Meters means
centimeter.
m, you have to write it. So how will you convert it into centimeter? 40 into 100, that is equal to
4,000 centimeter.
4,000 centimeter. So he was having 4,000 centimeters of cloth with him. Okay, that is the first step you have to write. Total cloth 40 meter, 40 into 100, you can write it as 4,000 centimeter. What is the next step you will write? Anlin, unmute and tell me. Anlin, what is the next step you will write? Yes. Fast.
Ma'am, 4,000 millimeters.
Yes, 4,000 centimeter of cloth he was having. Yes. Next step, what you will write? Adishwar?
Ma'am, next step, the length of cloth needed for
Length of
stitching
or
one shirt.
the amount measurement required
Length
to
of
stitch one shirt. The measurement required to one shirt. That one second step you can write. Measurement required for stitching one shirt. Measurement. Second step you can write. Measurement of shirt. Measurement of cloth. Measurement of cloth required.
How many?
Required for measurement of cloth required for stitching one shirt.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it
How
is
much is the measurement of?
2 meter 15 centimeter.
Yes, 2 meter 15 centimeter. How will you convert it into same quantity?
Ma'am,
Ihan is not there. Where you went? You are there. Okay. Ihan.
ma'am, 2 into 100.
Yes, very good. 200 plus 15 centimeter because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So it will become 2 meters means how much it will become? 200
200.
Yes. Again 15 centimeter you have to add. Why you are adding 15 centimeter?
Ma'am, because 15 centimeter is
yes, 15
there
centimeter.
also
2
for a
meter
shirt.
and 15 centimeter
Ma'am,
is given.
250.
So you have to write. What is the total? This much
250.
centimeter of cloth. cm you have to write it. Okay. Measurement required for measurement of cloth required for stitching one shirt. 2 meter 15 centimeter.
15 centimeter.
You can write it as 200 plus 15. You will get it as 215 centimeter. Okay. Now, so 2 steps over. What is the first step, Vaiga?
Ma'am,
First step. Yes.
ma'am, first step
Total
was to find
cloth. Total
the
cloth. How
total
much?
cloth. 40 meter, 40 meter.
Yes. 40 meter. That means 4,000
4,000
centimeter.
centimeter.
1,000 centimeter.
The cloth required for stitching one shirt. How much?
2 meter 15
2 meter
centimeter.
15 centimeter. So it will become
215 centimeter.
215 centimeter.
Now, can you tell me what you should do for one? Then how many shirts will be there? How many shirts you can stitch?
Ma'am,
Okay, that is
so
the question.
division.
Can you tell me what you should do next?
need division.
Yes, yes, division.
divide.
Number of shirts.
Divide.
Number of shirts. How will you find out?
Ma'am, division by
4,000
dividing.
divided by.
By dividing.
Now you should tell me the answer. Okay, I will ask you the answer now. You can do it.
Ma'am, what we should do?
Divide to 4,000. If you are not getting, you try to do it. Okay, you can divide and find the answer. You can divide and you can find the answer. 4,000 divided by 215. You can divide. How many of you finished? Raise your hands. Unmute and tell me the answer. Afterwards, we can go to the next problem. Those who are finished. All are doing? Yes. 4,000 divided by 215. That is the solution. You have to do it. You have to divide
Ma'am,
4,000. Who got the answer? Yes, very good. Fayaz. What is the answer you got? What is the answer you got? 4,000 divided by 215.
ma'am,
Sheena is doing
18.5.
18.5.
5.
Okay. 18.5. Let us see the answer. Yes, very good. We can see the answer now. Ritha is sleeping there. Next we can do it. Okay. We can divide and see how much you will get. What is the number you have to divide? What is the number you have to divide? 4,000 divided by 215. Okay. Any others got the answer? Okay. So, here you cannot divide. 40 you cannot divide. It is a big number. 400 you can divide. How many times it will go?
1.
False.
1, ma'am. 1.
Only one time. Because
Yes, ma'am, because-
215, if you are taking 2 times, it will become 430.
430,
You
ma'am.
cannot divide. You can take it only one time.
1.
What is the remainder now, Zaiba? What is the remainder?
Ma'am,
10 minus 5 will get 5.
1,850.
Again, you will get it as how much?
1,850.
Okay. What is the next step you will do it, Adishwar? You have to write one more
Put
zero.
down the 0 down.
How many times it will divide? You have to see now. Okay. How many times you can divide? You can find out. How many times? 215. You can try the numbers. You are trying 215 divided by 1,850 divided by, you can make it into small and do it. Cancellation you can do it. Otherwise you can divide like this also. Because cancellation, those who are knowing, you can do cancellation. Others, they can divide like this. How many times you can divide? 8 times. Okay. Who got the answer there? Ilhan, how much you will get now? How much you will get? How much you will get? 215 into 8. What is the answer you got? 1,720. If you are dividing that, 0. Okay. So here you will get 130 centimeters of cloth. It is remaining. Okay, 130 centimeters of cloth. It is remaining with him. How many shirts he made now? 18 shirts. And what is the balance? 130 centimeters. That is the answer you have to write. What is the answer you have to write? What is here you will do this simplification. You have to do the right side. Okay.
And number of shirts he can make
Yes.
18
Next one. What is the
shirts.
next step you will write? Number of shirts he can stitch. How many shirts he can stitch?
18 shirts we can stitch.
Number of that step you can write. Number of shirts he can stitch. 18 shirts. And balance cloth. What is the balance cloth?
130
centimeter.
130
meter and 30 centimeter. Okay. Anyone is answering in group? Okay. No. Okay. Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you show me the paper. Ajol, completed. So what is the answer you wrote? 18 shirts he can stitch and 130 centimeters of cloth balance. Okay. Now we can go to the next problem. What is the next problem? You have to write it. Next problem.
15.
Anybody is having doubt? Anybody is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. All of them understood. We can go to the next problem. 10th problem we can do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
How to do it by yourself? You have to tell me the step. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, no problem.
Okay. 10th question. You can see the question here. So 10th question says, what is the 10th question, Sandra? What is the 10th question?
Medicine is packed in boxes.
Wait 1 minute. Others not need of group. Reading in group. Those who are not muted, mute. All of you, only Sandra I asked the question. Others, all of you mute it. Don't want any group answer here. So read, Sandra. What is that question?
Medicine is packed in boxes.
Packed. Medicine is packed in. Oh, not packed. Each weighing
4
medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing
4 kilogram, 500
4
gram.
kg and 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Okay, this is the 10th question. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg, 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Okay, you are understanding that problem?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the first step you have to write? Hanna? Hanna, what is the first step you have to write?
Ma'am,
Hanna, others, all of you mute.
ma'am, I could
Hanna,
not
only Hanna.
Ma'am, can you please zoom it?
Yes. Next question.
Ma'am, could you zoom it because we have to write. I don't know.
Okay. What is the first step you can write? Hanna,
Ma'am,
tell me fast.
the weight of each box.
Yes, weight of each
Each box.
No, total weight. What is that first step? What is the weight of each box? First step you can write weight of
Each box.
What is the weight of each box?
4
Arathya,
kg.
all of them they unmuted. I am asking only one. Arathya, mute yourself. Arathya, I am asking now. What is the first step you will write? Now you have to, you are unmuted now. Unmute I told. Only Arathya should unmute. Others mute. Yes. Arathya. Clara. What is the first step?
My total weight of
Total weight.
medicine box. Packed
Total
in
weight
box.
of medicine box. What is the total weight of medicine box?
Ma'am.
4 kg, 500 gram.
500 grams.
Total weight of medicine box is 800 kg. It can carry only 800 kg in a van. That is the question. First step,
Total
you
weight.
can write total weight of weight
Medicine
it
box.
can be carried, or the medicine is packed in boxes, weight of each box. First step you can write weight of each medicine box. What is the weight of each medicine box?
4 kg, 500 gram.
4 kg,
500 grams.
500 gram. Okay, 4 kg, 500 gram. So
Yeah.
those, how will you convert?
Ma'am,
How will you
4 into
convert?
1000. 4 into 1000.
4 into
1000.
1000 plus 500. 4 into 1000 plus 500. How much you will get?
4,500.
All are answering together. How much you will get? 4,500.
500.
What is the unit you will write? Gram. Okay. Weight of?
Yeah.
You are writing? Amar, you are writing? Stand still. So 4,500 gram. 4,500 gram is the total weight. Weight of one box. Okay. What is the maximum weight? What is the second step you will write? Stand still. What is the second step you will write? Stand still, unmute and tell me. Fayaz Muhammad. Unmute and tell me. What is the second step you will write? Yes, tell me fast. Fayaz? Not there. Yasin? What is the second step you will write? Yasin, unmute and tell me. Yasin? Unmute. Tell me.
When the number, the weight
Yes.
of box which the van can carry.
Yes. The weight of one box of medicine. How much it is? You are wrote already. Then total weight. Second step, what you will write? Total weight. What is the total weight? 800 kg. You have to convert it into grams. Okay. We can go for again. We can write it. Second step you can write. Second step. Next one you can write what is the total weight.
Total weight which van can
What is the total weight? 40 kg. You can write 40 into 1000, 4,000, 40,000 gram. 40,000 gram. Okay.
Ma'am,
40,000 gram.
Ma'am, it's
is the
only
total weight. Next one, what you should do there? What is the next step you will do there? What is the next step? Can you tell me? Next one, what is the question they asked? How many boxes you can make it? How many boxes you can bring it with this weight? Understood the steps?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Total weight is 40 kg. You have to convert it into the same unit. Why you are converting it into the same unit? Because 40 into 1000 gram, you will get 4 into 40. Again, 1000 grams you have to add. This much grams. Okay. First one unit was. Then second step. What is the third step you will write? What is the third step you will write? What is the third step? Last step you will write. Shall I rub it? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So that next step you can write number of boxes. Number of boxes. How will you find out? 8. Divided by, how will you divide it? 200 and one more 0 it will come. Okay, 800 into, then you can divide. Divided by which number you will divide now?
With
4,500.
4,500.
You should divide. Okay. Okay, you can divide now. How many zeros will get cancelled here? 2 zeros will get cancelled. Afterwards, you can divide. Can you divide it? Can you divide and tell me? Can you divide and tell me? Can you divide and tell me what is the answer you got? Doing? Who got the answer? Fayaz got the answer now. Fayaz got the answer. Those who are not there in 6C, just leave it. Those who are Isa Jivaraj, please leave it. Just now your class will start. Got the answer? Yes or no? Now you have to divide 2 zeros and get cancelled.
177 boxes.
Next, what is the answer?
177.
177. You can divide. I should divide now. 5 tables you can cancel. Here you will get. So 177. You can divide 8,000 divided by 9. Now here you have to divide 1,600 divided by 9. Wait 1 minute. Or you have to divide 1,600 divided by 9. How many times it will come here? 16 one time. So you'll get 7, 70. 9 sevens are 63.
Cannot see.
70. It will not stop it. 63 it will come. 70 it will continue. Okay. Division will not stop. You take it approximate. What is approximate number of boxes? 177 boxes. Okay. $177 boxes. Read the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you send in the WhatsApp?
Yes,
Here
I will
is
send
some
the answer.
network.
Okay.
Network problem is.
Ma'am, I can't see in the.
Now you cannot see because I'm not writing. Last 2 more problems are there. We can complete it. Okay, we can stop here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am. Sini ma'am. Time over. No?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow you should study and come. I will ask you to
Okay, ma'am.
solve the problems.
Thank you,
Okay?
ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.